One-stroke painting is a popular and interesting decorative art form where double and multi-loading techniques are used to achieve highlights, shadows, and color changes in a single stroke. In simple words, it consists of loading a brush with one color and achieving the shading and highlighting in one stroke. This simple technique gives some of the most interesting combinations, especially when you have multiple colors on the brush. The one-stroke method lets you blend, shade and highlight all in one stroke and hence makes painting quick and easy. It is perfect especially for beginners and it is so versatile that decorative artists of any skill level will enjoy its speed and simplicity. This style is simple. Just one color on a brush yields so many color shades, all in just one stroke. If you have always wanted to decorate a painting but have two right hands, this style is for you. Learn this beautiful modern art form in this 20 hours module-based certified course from Penkraft. How to create shades, different nature-related artwork, do's and don'ts of the technique and much more.